Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we will be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss this question is subsequence, which is an quite easy question. So let's go to this question and see what it states. Here's let's see in which companies it has been asked. So in the last 3 months you can see Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Wix, Pinterest, Yandex. So lots of companies have asked this question. So let's see what it states. Given two strings S and T, return true if S is a subsequence of T or false otherwise. A subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some can be none of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of the remaining characters. That is, ACE is a subsequence of ABCDE, while AEC is not. So ACE is a subsequence of this ABCDE, but AEC is not a subsequence. So subsequence is basically formed by deleting some of the characters. So if we delete B and D, then we will get ACE, but there is no way to delete some characters so that we can get AEC. So AEC is not a subsequence of ABCD, but ACE is a subsequence of ABCD. Let's consider this example ABC, where we have to check whether ABC is a subsequence of this. So if we delete H, G and D, if we delete H, G and D characters, then we'll get ABC. So yes, it is a subsequence. Now in order to check this, for AXC to be subsequence of AH, BGDC, there is no way which we can delete some characters and we can get AXC. So for this test case, the answer is false. So here s dot length is given as 100 and t dot length is given as 10 to the power 4, and s and t are given consists of lowercase English letters only. Follow up, suppose that there are lot of incoming s, say s1 s2, where k is greater than or equal to 9, and you want to check one by one to see if it has subsequence. In this scenario, how would you change your code? So yeah, this is the question given. So this is quite straightforward and I will directly jump onto the solution. So this is the string s which is given to us, and this is the string t which is also given to us. We have to check whether s is a subsequence of t. So we will define ns as the length of the s string and nt as the length of the t string, and then we will initialize I to 0, and then what we will do is we will iterate through all the characters of t string, and whenever this tj is equals to si, then we will increment I plus plus. That means one of the character has matched. So if we consider this case, first of all we will check I will be pointing to 0, and we will start looping from j is equals to 0 to 0 1 2 3 4 j to 5. So here for j is equals to 0 and for I is equals to 0, like a is matching with a, so I will be incremented to 1. Now we'll move our j also to 1. Now h is not matching with b, so we'll not do anything, and we will just move j to this pointer, and b is equals to b. So now in this case we will increment I. Now our j will come here. G is not equals to c, so we will not do anything. D is not equals to c, now we then also we will not do anything. At last j will come to this index, and this c is equals to c. So I will be incremented now, and it will become equals to ns. So whenever I becomes equals to ns, we will break out, and then we will return if I is equals to ns, this is a shorthand notation for writing. If I is equals to ns is true, otherwise false. So this is shorthand notation. We can write it like this. So if I is equals to ns at the last, then this means that all the characters have been found in our t string in the order, and this is a subsequence, otherwise it is not. So let's try to this is in a O of ns plus nt solution. This is linear solution, so it will go up to 10 to the power 6, so it will get accepted. So let's try to submit it and see whether our algorithm is fine or not. So yeah, it is getting accepted here, and let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So this solution is working fine, and I will attach this. I hope you have understood the explanation to this question. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this question description and question link in the description section of the video. So subscribe to my channel, like my video, and let me know in the comments whether you have understood the explanation to this question. So thanks, and stay tuned for our top into 150 series of questions where we will be discussing all the questions present in top into 150 series on Leetcode. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thanks and have a nice day.